In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize files in Dropbox. Start by going to dropbox.com and logging into your account. We'll work in the web interface, so the buttons I mentioned will appear in your browser. If you use the desktop app, the flow is similar, though some labels may look a bit different. First, create a single catch-all place for loose items. In your main Dropbox directory, make a new folder named either inbox or 00 to sort. Adding the exclamation mark or zeros keeps it pinned at the very top of your folder list, so it's always the first thing you see. From now on, whenever you download an attachment, grab a quick screenshot or spin up a temporary document, save it directly into this inbox. This prevents files from getting scattered and gives you one predictable place to drop and later find anything new. Set a short weekly time to clear this inbox. Open it, rename files so they're instantly recognizable, and drag each one into its permanent home. A clear naming pattern helps a lot. Include a short description and, if helpful, a date like 2026-02-17 to make search and sorting smarter. Move items into the folders where they truly belong. Think by project, client, or category such as finance or photos, and delete anything that was just a scratch note or no longer needed. The goal isn't to keep the inbox at 0 all week, it's to make it quick to process when you do sit down. Even 5 minutes each Friday can keep things spotless. Next, avoid clutter from multiple versions. You don't need files named report draft, report v2, report final, and report final for real. Keep one working file called simply report and keep saving your progress to that same file. This keeps search results clean and makes it obvious which document is current, especially in shared folders. And if you ever need to look back, Dropbox maintains version history behind the scenes, so a single clean file name doesn't mean you lose your past work. When you're ready to organize in bulk, move groups of files together. In your folder view, click the checkboxes next to all the files you want to relocate. A menu bar will appear at the top or bottom of the screen. Click the 3 dots to open more options, choose move, then select the destination folder and confirm. Everything jumps to the right place at once, which is perfect when clearing out your inbox after that weekly review. With this simple system, a top-of-list inbox, one working file per document, and quick bulk moves, you'll stay organized with minimal effort. Thanks for watching.